Today I'm going to show you this nice red Panasonic MC6640 commercial upright vacuum cleaner. Here's the front of it. Has the high and low suction control and a vacuum gauge on it. Model 6640. And what it comes with is a very heavy duty, probably 50-foot cord, and the big difference between this one and the others is it has a cloth bag with a sliding clip on the bottom for emptying it. It also takes the standard Panasonic U-type bags as well. So I'll try and get this back in one-handed. Close it up and give it a go. Get my pip out of the way. Well, there's also a floor or rug dial on here. Switch. Choke it. Nice and quiet. There you go, the Panasonic Commercial Jet Flow.